Hi, my name is Frank Valentic and welcome to Advantage Property Market Update. Well, the year ended in Melbourne with another record result, a record in Narre North where a house sold for a whopping $9 million. Who would have thought that would have happened 10 years ago? It has become tougher though for young first home buyers to get into the marketplace. A recent study showed that the number of first home buyers aged between sort of 35 and 44 had increased from around 26% up to 34% now. So it is making it harder for first home buyers to get in, and they are buying property at later ages as they are getting married at later ages as well. Well, it is definitely the year to be buying in the middle to outer suburbs. I think those areas will be the gold this year. I think that's where the growth will be. Those ripple suburbs out from the inner suburbs tend to lag behind the other more popular blue chip suburbs. So we should see some really strong growth in the middle north and the middle western suburbs. Well, everyone's gearing up for the 150 plus changes in the Residential Tenancies Act. That won't happen till the 1st of July 2020. So investors and landlords have still got a year and a half before there'll be some major changes, including allowing pets, allowing tenants to default 5 times on their repayments. And some of these changes have already got out landlords saying that they'll be getting out of the rental market and selling their properties when that happens, which will possibly cause a very big shortfall and possibly cause some major rent increases for tenants in that sort of marketplace as well. Well, there's lots of talk about what interest rates are going to do. Now, experts are really saying there's about a 28% chance that interest rates will drop this year. All the talk was that they would probably increase, but with our economy doing what it's doing, there has been talk now that it could be time for the RBA to try and stimulate the economy. The property markets are very flat and subdued, so it'll be interesting to see whether the government and the RBA starts to push. I know they're trying to encourage banks to lend more funds for investors. Well, a lot of people are scared about Labor's proposed negative gearing changes and capital gains tax changes, and that will probably come in effect if they become into power on the 1st of July this year. Recent surveys show that 48% of the population disagreed with the changes, 43% were for the changes, so it will be interesting. It will definitely, again, have a very, very adverse effect, I think, on the rental market. It'll cause rents to increase as there's less supply of rental properties on the marketplace. Please don't hesitate to get on our website, check out information about our buyer's advocate, seller's advocate, property management and group block purchases. We look forward to seeing you next time.